Now, people belong ECP like sabe also. Number one question. 10 million belong people belong ECP stop yet or you play give him no sample and la line. Enough all people belong ECP harim stop. Suppose minister enough lo talk sabe. 10 million belong only go away. Number two, ask him. I'm long bien him can same budget book where account 206 058 06010 district infrastructure development program. Where 480 million emi sit down, where lo look sawe blomi, desla money emi suppose lo go lo 11 district antap na abrusin desla PSIP na DSIP also. So, me like ask him also. Me got 6 district inside long ECP province. Desla 5 million lo 11 district long ECP emi go piniso. You play holy mieto no God, please enough you talk sawe na people lo ECP can harim. Nothing or Narbla district to is in down, not like Sawe, only in Desla. Desla 5 million or no God. Me talk Sawe can or Sem. Account 206 06412. District infrastructure Kina for Kina program. 456 million. Total of over 1.1 billion Kina where Missina Loam all bucket where stop underneath long. Look out long minister. Desla Kina for Kina 456 million. Enough minister talks away who side through kisim inside lo this la parliament. So me all get I can sabe na people blow ECB too can sabe. Osem only got scale blow inside lo hap or no got because no good nupla budget he come back na ipla by put him same something. Na giamani people blow ECB na people blow ECB by to yasa lo here. Na still now 4 more weeks where account closed. So me like sabe. Blow people blow ECB by come or no got. Na suppose no got enough good minister talks sabe why. But you plan on giving people long ECP or something where you put him inside the budget, well, on name law. Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Thank you. The Honourable Minister for Finance.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Me taking this platform to talk thank you, Governor of ECP. These are appropriation bills that the finance department normally pays to those who are appropriated inside the budget. As such, each civic provincial government is entitled to receive 10 million. And your government was given 7 million already from my records.
Honourable Minister, resume your seat. We have a point of order from
my point of order is that I think the Minister is probably referring to PSIP. I have a full view of all the accounts in my province, from the provincial government all the way through to the PHA. I've got all the figures, and there is no such thing as a 7 million payment out of a warrant, out of a CFC, that would come from the account 04860. I'm not looking.
Honourable Governor,
them can give me copy.
Your point of order is in order. I think that's the Minister's response. I'll allow him to complete his answer.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Okay, everybody is entitled to receive 10 million, including the Kina for Kina and infrastructure grants. And as my record shows, that every East Civic provincial urban members and districts have received Kina for Kina. My record shows that every members of parliament. Let me finish. I was listening when you were asking the question.
Honourable Minister, we have a point of order. Let me allow him to raise his point of order.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
The Honourable Member for Amuri Draike.
Now the Minister is saying that he's already paid to ECB.
Honourable Member, when you ask for a point of order, you have to wait for me to ask you to talk. Don't talk before the Speaker. So, Honourable Member, go ahead.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Minister, I'm talking about the province. The district is in Pinis. Enough tomorrow, I'm currently preparing to talk to the province, in Pinis, the district is in Pinis, the ceremony, and talk to them. According to the government, asking question. 3 black and money. Ina give more details for tomorrow the paper. We will go to look him.
Honorable,
That's my question.
Honorable member, I will rule your point of order out of order. It's like you are asking a supplementary question. So
It's a point of
I
order
think the
because
minister have noted. So I'll let him to answer during his question time. Honorable Minister.
Thank you for that question as well. I've tried my best to give every member, kina for kina and retired, everyone. Those who are complaining here, those who stay in Mosby and not going into the electorates to spend those DSIPs and PSIPs, because almost 4 billion kina, Honorable Governor, I was listening when you were asking me the question. Let me finish it first.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order.
Thank you. You know, asking the PSIP or DSIP, me asking you, the Capital Investment Program, PIP, Volume 3A, which is not PSIP, which is not DSIP. I am asking about Provincial Infrastructure Program, budget item 04860. Desala ino PSIP, desala ino DSIP. Desala and Provincial Infrastructure Program, maybe different.
Honorable Governor, thank you. Point of order, blue and more. I think Minister now so start him back in Blongem. So if we go ahead, I think he will make mention. So I'll allow the Minister to go ahead and respond.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Thank you for the supplementary question again from the Governor. You know, some of the PIB projects are part under national planning.
Go ahead, Minister.
Finance only manages the expenditure part of it. So I have no answer to answer that very beautiful question from the Governor. And I will get a comprehensive answer for him tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Minister.